Hey friends, this is a quick hair of the day and sort of a tip tutorial kind of video. Very minimal though, because I'm going to link to another resource for that. But this wig I have on right now is Jon Renau Carrie in the color Salted Caramel. This is a human hair wig. I'm going to be doing a comparison of this with the synthetic version of this color. I'm just waiting for it to get a little nicer outside so that I could spend a good amount of time outside doing the comparison. And I did purchase this wig from a wig sister. She has a website, mywigcoach.com. Her name is Sherry Schaefer. I am going to be sharing a lot more about her in a future video because she's an awesome resource if you're looking for someone to help you with your wig journey. This wig, okay, I've reviewed Carrie already. I love Carrie. This is Jon Renau human hair wig. It's the regular Carrie. It is not the hand-tied version. It's not the Remy human hair version. It's just the regular version. And I watched a video last week by one of our wig sisters who has a YouTube channel. She's on social media. She goes by the name The Wiggy Woman, and her name is Heather. And she showed how to do something called the curly girl method on a human hair wig. And I just had to try it. So I took this wig and I followed the instructions that she shared. I will link her video in the description so that you can go watch it. Essentially what you do, once you get your hair, you wash it or you get it wet, you do a whole lot of scrunching. You dry the inside of the cap with a hair dryer, and then you sort of set the wig upside down on a towel so that all the hair is sort of scrunched up underneath it, and you let it sit on the towel for a while. In addition to that, I use two products. I use this Aussie Miracle Curls. They call it a cream pudding. It's really creamy inside. And I used a little bit of that. And I also used a little bit of the Lange Beach sea salt spray, sea salt texturizing spray by Lange. I'll link, if I can find links for you guys, I'll link those in the description. I'm not sponsored by anybody. Those were just products that I purchased to try with human hair wigs as I'm delving into that. And then I just scrunched, and mainly let it air dry, except for the cap, which I did dry with a hair dryer. She shows you how to do all of that in her video, and this is what I got. It's messy. It's a messy, curly look, but that's exactly what I was going for. If I wanted a more polished, curly look, then I would take hot tools to it. I would take a curling iron or something that would put curls in. I don't want to do that most of the time. I'm still not good at that with human hair wigs. I'm really just feeling my way. And so what works best for me is when a human hair wig dries wavy, because then I don't have to style it. All I have to do is be able to put some product in it and do some scrunching. And that is literally all I had to do with this. And this is what I got. I am like over the moon about it. This is 5 times the curl and wave that it would have had I not done this. I have air dried this one. I have shared some pictures in a short little video already on this one, and it dries somewhat wavy, but nothing like this. This is fantastic. If you are new to human hair, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel because I'm starting a human hair journey and I'm delving into some human hair. I've got a couple of wigs on the way. I'm working with a couple of sellers to help do some small business spotlights on them. And so hopefully I'll be able to give those of you who want to know more about human hair some help here, as well as my wig sisters who wear synthetic. I'm still gonna wear synthetic. That is close to my heart, but I actually have some real detailed thoughts about kind of the pros and cons of both, and I think there are some styles that lend themselves better to human hair, and then there are some styles and some practices of wig wearing that I think synthetic works better for. So I'm going to share that in a future video, but for now I wanted to show you this. Oh, it's just turned out so fantastic. Go down to the description of this video so that you can find the link to Heather's original video. I'm not going to do a tutorial on this because she did, and I'm not going to steal her thunder. I'm going to direct you to her because she's another great resource out there, and you should follow her as well. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Again, this was Carrie by Jon Renau in the color Salted Caramel. Talk to you guys soon.
you.